Welcome. In this video, I will be covering creating the second step in creating an RSS news page. The second step is importing the template. To start off with, you need to be logged into the back end of your website. So you want to be in the dashboard, which looks like this. And you want to come down to where it says templates and just click on that. You click import template, choose file. You choose the file that you're going to import, which is the RSS news aggregator that we created, or that we downloaded earlier, I should say. Click on import now, and you'll have that aggregator added to your saved templates. So that's it. You're good to go, and we can go on to the next step.